back. Just got off a 21-hour shift, and I gotta be completely honest with y'all. It's hot. It's been 100 degrees every day. You know, being from up north, you go outside in the wintertime, you're like, cold outside, I'm gonna go warm up the car. In the south, you gotta go cool up the car. So today we're gonna do a Q&A, and I guess the number one question is that people have been asking me is, are you still with Domino's? Yes, I'm still with Domino's. Same route, same partner, nothing changed except for the weather. But it's a lot better than pushing dough through the snow. Moving right along. First question. For Domino CDL Class A drivers, when it comes to the schedule, there are two different waves. And the wave is based on the time. So you have first wave and you have second wave. First wave comes in at 6 o'clock. Second wave comes in at 10 o'clock. This is all at night. My week starts Monday evening at 6 o'clock. I clock in around 6 o'clock. I don't get off until Tuesday, the next day, around 3:30. 4 o'clock at the latest, depending on how heavy we may be. So from 3:30 Tuesday until 6 p.m. Wednesday evening, I'm off. I'll do the same thing Wednesday, go in at 6, get off Thursday at 3:30, and then have to return back Friday evening. Me and my partner probably hustle the most on Friday so we can enjoy our Saturday, because we try our best to get off between 12:30 and 1 o'clock on Saturday, and usually does happen. You just gotta hustle. There are people that come in on Sunday instead of Monday, so it'll be opposite. So in those in-between days, if you get what I'm saying, that will be the other schedule. Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. And I'm Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You fill out application, the recruiter calls you, you go in for an interview, you do the driving test, you go in for a urine test, they do a background check, everything comes back clear, you start. Orientation can be from 3 to 4 days. Currently at the warehouse / commissary that I work out of, most of the routes that are going out now are solo routes. If you're coming from bumping docks and you don't have any experience in this type of lane or this type of work or this physical aspect, or you're not physically in shape, I wouldn't suggest going solo right away. What I would do is come in, learn the product, get familiar, learn the ropes from somebody that's already been doing it, get some practice in. And once you become good at it, go ahead and try to be the solo. But for me, going solo, that's like being Superman. I give all praise. I give shout outs to all you drivers that's out there that do it by yourself, that deliver by yourself. I don't care if you're not in Domino's, if you in Cisco, if you in McLean, if you in Papa John's. If you're out here and you running solo by yourself, you are definitely Superman, and I salute you. There's plenty of extra work, and to be honest, that's how you make the extra money. You know, you get an incentive pay on top of your regular pay just to go in there. So, I mean, it's been times I done made $1,700, $1,800 in a day just doing an extra route. You're getting paid for that load, you're getting paid those hours. You're getting paid for the miles. You're getting paid for doing something extra. So this is how I start my day off. 5:30, 6 o'clock in the gym. I'm in the gym for an hour. Come back home. I take a nap. Or when school was in session, I would take my kids to school. But the kids is out of school. I can just come home and I go to sleep. I take a nap, maybe 3-4 hours. Then I'm up and I may take an hour and a half nap before I go into work. See, my route is in Macon, Georgia, so the first stop, it takes 3 hours to get there. So usually my partner, he drives those first 3 hours while I'm in the back and I'm asleep. I'm sleeping between stores until we get halfway through the route, and then it's my turn to drive. if you plan accordingly, you can get your proper rest while you out here on these routes. Drivers, it's hot outside. I know you might be in the stores and they may give you free food and pizza and desserts and all that type of stuff, but I'm gonna tell you, I wouldn't be eating that in this type of weather. Better get up on your water and your fruit. I'm gonna tell y'all how to eat out here too. But until next time, progression is a weapon. Put God first.